everyone, I'm Glenda with SureFit Designs, whimsically known as Glenda the Good Stitch. I know lots of you enjoy sewing for your children, and I know a lot of you grandmothers really enjoy sewing for your grandkids because you can make some such fun little outfits. You know, with SureFit Designs we do have the children's kit, and it's got all kinds of patterns in it. And the best part is that you can sew for both boys and girls and toddlers through teens, you know, anywhere from about a 16 to an 18-month-old up until their teen years, when they actually grow into the adult patterns and mature into the adult patterns. With this kit, you're going to find so many different pattern options. And it's kind of like taking a pattern catalog in the children's section and rolling it into all of these master patterns. There's pants for both boys and girls. There's a shirt pattern that does blouses for the girls and shorts for the boys. There's a skirt pattern dedicated, of course, to the girls. And there's all kinds of accessory pieces like bibs and hoods and pockets and collars and cuffs. So it's really fun to mix and match and come up with all kinds of different ideas. Thank you so much for watching. And I do invite you to join the SureFit Designs community if you haven't already. Number one, make sure to join our mailing list, and you can find the sign-up form at the bottom of any of our web pages. And number two, make sure to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's just SureFit Designs. And also join our international community, which is housed in Facebook. And that address is very simple. It's facebook.com/groups/SureFit Designs. Thanks so much for watching.